Yes, sir. Our next one for the girl, them. Girl, you look good and you're sexy. I saw your pussy fat in your jaws. Find yourself right beside me. Wind up for the upstairs, boss. Girl, you look.
Yo, Morango, I'm on a deal with.
You know, so they upstairs though.
In the realest way,
Yeah,
upstairs.
man, well clean.
A school, man.
Yeah.
Yo, upstairs. Since of lately, the slang they bring some controversy, you know.
One upstairs.
Recently, a well popular artist, well, me not afraid for call name, Javilani did a song with the said name, Upstairs. But without a doubt, we know that you are the person who originated that slang. You want to elaborate on that?
Well, really and truly, you know. But the upstairs boss have to say about that right now is because a man more popular, you know what I mean, than the upstairs boss himself. He must try to run with it. And when the upstairs boss arrives, he must say, you know, say, I that thief Javilani style, which you see the circle though. We have like 6,000 people know upstairs. So them can stand behind Morango upstairs boss and say, yo, upstairs. 6,000 is a lot, you know, it's enough.
In the realest way.
Yeah.
How you come by the name Morango?
You know, so really and truly, I cut a long story short there, you know.
Yeah, do it.
You know, going to a school. I used to name Ezra.
Yeah.
And one day I there at school and I do some music and I'm a musician from school days.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I say, I do 2 tunes and a man say, yo, I said you a favor Rango. Me don't know the name Rango, you know. But I like the name because it sounds bad. Rango. So I say, yo, I go, my name Ezra again, my name Rango because I like the name of the youth. Use my favor Rango. So I say, you know, I like the name there. Saying so, I start saying my name Rango. Everyone I go, I do a tune. Where DJ name? I say, no, say my name Rango. Everybody start laugh. I say, no, say I want a lizard name, so do you look like a lizard for you. Everyone I go. So I say, yo, I go on. I mean, if you cut the attention from a lizard there, because I like the Rango and I not dash it away.
Yeah.
So I sit down and I use the alphabet now. Saying,
Yeah.
I start from A to Z. When you know what catch me? The M.
Yeah.
I say Zorango, I say Lorango, Orango. But when I say Morango, you have to repeat it.
Okay.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
So where the set come from?
Morango.
Well,
In the
played.
realest way. So Morango, which parish the eye forward from?
You know, say the best person I heard though.
The West Parish in our world.
Best person, Westmoreland.
You know, Westmoreland is known for its high-grade marijuana.
Yeah. And the party place too, the party capital, Dream Weekend and them party there, right there.
So what the fans can expect from Morango?
Well, all the fans are Facebook right now is music, you know. And Morango not stop, you know. Morango still, we are push forward, you know. We still a push music, good music too. Visuals.
For real,
You know
for
what I mean?
real.
Whole heap of work.
For real.
Because we must reach there, you know.
In the realest
We must
way.
reach where we want to reach. You understand?
for real.
Or you take over same way when I play with it.
For real.
Yeah, man, upstairs.
Yeah, I want to know something in the realest way. Seeing why you choose Show the Vibes Records to be the place where you do most of your recording projects.
There you go now. I get a different vibes. Really, I see a vibes. When I forward I show the vibes studio.
In the
Because
realest
really
way.
and truly, the best. You know what I mean? The best of me, show the vibes bring out. And them studio I spend time. You know what I mean? If I forward a garbage, show the vibes now make a leave with a garbage.
See it.
You know what I mean? Into the garbage and I go like a China do, use garbage and make toys for your kids. You would say, you would name show the vibes.
In the realest
Well,
way.
please.
Yeah, so where you see yourself 5 years from now in the music business?
5 years from now, if a God's will for me to be alive, I tell you say, a number one. Number one.
I would say that you're a great stage performer. You think that transcend over into how you approach music? Is that the same energy whenever you go in the studio to create a song?
So when you deal with real people, it's a different vibes. So when I see who I talk to them better than when I not see them. You
See
understand
it,
what I mean?
see
So
it.
once they're in front of me, I get the realness. But if you talk to the talker phone, it's a different energy.
In
You
the
understand?
realest way.
So I wish we could have record in front of everybody when we perform in front. You understand what I mean?
See it,
Yeah.
see it.
So the answer to your question is no, it can't happen because they are not there in the studio.
Cool.
Yeah. But
For
on the
real.
show you are there, so you get the best. And the real Morango.
In the realest
Yeah,
way.
man, well clean.
Yeah, how people can find upon social media?
I don't know, so Morango the upstairs boss. Now. Morango upstairs boss by Instagram. You know what I mean? Morango _ upstairs boss. Facebook, Raja Short Boss Maraj. And I think already can put a real name of the music too. And I think already Morango Vivo YouTube. Well clean. Up on Snapchat, Morango upstairs boss. Well
In the
clean.
realest way.
Yeah.
How many music videos have you released up to date?
Well, you know, so at least a few of them. Yeah, we have Crown Royal, one with a bag of things. Everybody know Crown Royal. DP,
Yeah.
big up yourself, see we, all upstairs family. You
Yeah.
don't know, so you have the 2020, we say Dark Polish and Glock in our reach. I would work for one next one, see we have Girl Tune. You know what I mean? You look out for that one there, it's how crazy.
Anytime you forward at the recording studio to record a new song, you always make sure you forward with a Crown Royal.
Better taste, better vibes, better energy. Why you feel so much war than a dancer more while? You see the NSC make you feel like you want to kill people. You see the Crown, you just want a girl or 2 or 3 girls to
See,
par with.
Crown Royal give a better vibe.
You understand? You see the vibes we get from the Crown Royal,
Yeah.
it tastes better than the Hennessy and it give you a better vibe, it give you a positive vibes.
In the realest way.
Yeah,
See,
man, well clean.
you have nobody where you don't like to shout out.
Yeah, man, I don't know. DP, Diane, Danny, Makiba, Pumper, big up yourself in a singer blinger. You know what I mean? Everything go already, you know. Sealer, big up, you know. Big up my daughter Page. You messing up Gordon OG, anything go already. Dunga, you know, say anyway. Morango there. On the right, there, so upstairs, well clean.
What your fan reaction been like since Morango been an official recording artist?
You know, say, if you tell you the truth, wonderful, you know, I get my respect when I touch road. Yeah, man, the respect is there. And more while some people who me not even know, I just find themselves steer upon the artist when they see the artist.
What does Morango bring to dancehall in the realest way? What makes you different from other artists as it relates to dancehall and reggae music?
Alright, first thing, you see my style different.
In
So
the
me I say,
realest way.
I want to make me different, my topics are different. If you listen to my song, them every topic different.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was unique to dancehall.
In the realest way.
Yeah.
For real. Now that your songs are creating this new wave, people are now searching for Morango's music on YouTube. Everywhere you have a steady growth of followers and fans. People are now following Morango on Instagram and all social platforms. As a public figure, you know that's a huge responsibility. Do you understand that responsibility and how do you manage that responsibility?
I understand the responsibility. Fully understand it.
Yeah.
I know I manage it now. You see, everything I do towards music,
Yeah.
make sure it's me have meaning. And every song I do, you learn there's a message. Not every one of my songs.
True.
So like an interview like this,
Yeah.
the question me line for line, word for word about my song, I can explain everything.
True.
You understand? Every single line.
In the realest way.
So I angle it that way, I not do what I cannot do.
True.
Yeah, and I sing what I live.
True.
Reality I sing about.
What do you have to say to your haters?
Why? I love you. I love you bad. Yeah, man. Just go on wait until you don't turn love because you have no control over how you feel about a person, you know. So I don't blame none of them, but I love all of you. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself. Well clean.
You know, people who are now getting introduced to Morango, they're gonna say, yo, this is an artist that we don't know him for nowhere, but him have an expensive gold chain, him have an expensive gold watch. Wagwan, where this artist come from? Where him get all these money for your braff then type of way, yeah? What you have to say to them people there?
It's smartness. That's the key. You see, in this life and this world we live in, everybody get them time, but how you do with it. You understand? So it's in any way just in a blessing, just journey. You don't want to favor way, you're benefiting in the longer run. And I have nothing more to say about that.
You know, one of the things I noticed about you, I don't know for a fact still, but I've never heard hardcore violent music from you. Do you intentionally choose not to do violent music, or me just never heard of violent music from Morango
Alright,
before?
earlier in the interview, you asked a question, saying,
Yeah.
and make you know, right up say, a unique type of music may I bring, different topics.
Yeah.
So too much crime topics out there. Too much may I sing about the same gun and the same boss head. So that kind of, what I call it now?
Cliche.
Yeah, from the side I really. Me more deal with the girl, them can have different girls a man never meet from him born.
True.
But a man sing about every gun where him hold. And we never hold. But it's the girl we never meet with different ways and can't sing about them girl.
For
Never
real.
well clean. So unique. You understand? And now you hear a gun song from me, but not directly about a specific kind of crime or gun. But that you them want to hear still, you know. As me I say, but like me say, now we really expect the the regular, the average from Morango. I always expect something different. Yeah man, well clean.
For real. Any last word that you would like to give before we conclude this interview?
Well, Morango got the good music and anybody, my listeners them out there, listen to me song them. So put a song for my Vivo, listen to it like 3 or 4 times before you come in. Because the problem we listeners have, we listen to the song, I don't like it. I'll say listen to the song. You work it in your ears and then you're coming. And I always like and share and leave a comment on any release. And go subscribe to Morango Vivo. That man well played.
Not the realest way.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.